Subtraction with borrowing feels like a big headache, especially for little learners. In this video, I will make it easier and less stressful for your child and for you, dear parents. Dear little learners, look, we know 6 minus 4 is very simple. It will be 2, right? 9 minus 5 is a 4. This is so easy, but we are facing problem when subtraction with borrowing. Our first question here is 32 minus 9. Look, 32 minus 9, we can find the value two method. One, it's a typical method, like these two is not possible. 2 minus 9 is not possible in arithmetic, right? So we need to borrow something. So this is a what? Unit digit or ones, and this is tens, right? So we borrow 1 to here. So this is tens, it means 10, and these 3 become 2. So 10 plus 2 is a 12. So 12 minus 9 is a 3, and this 2 is here. But I don't like this method. We can follow another method, like 32 minus 9. Carefully think. This is a very easy method. This is 9 and this is 2. We cannot subtract 9 from 2, but look, we can write from of this 9 we can add 1, so it will become 10, right? And this 32 also we will add 1, so this is become 33. Now we can subtract. 3 minus 0 is a 3, 3 minus 1 is a 2, so our answer is 23. Simple, very simple. Next one, number 2. Similar thing, 51 minus 28. We cannot subtract this 8 from 1, but look, we have to make unit digit something different but less than 1. So again we can add here 2. So 8 plus 2 is a 0, carry 1, 1 plus 2 is a 3. It means 28 plus 2 is a 30. Similar, we can add 2. So look, 51 plus 2, 1 and 2. So this is 52 and this is 53, right? So 2 plus 1 is a 3 and 5 is 5. Now we can make subtraction. 3 minus 0 is a 3, 5 minus 3 is a 2, so our answer is 23. We can write here 23. So this is number 1, this is number 2. Now number 3. Here is 74 minus 39. So we cannot subtract this 9 from 4. So we can make new number. So we can add 1. 39 plus 1 is a 40. Again we also add 1 with 74. So 74 plus 1 is a 75, right? Now look, 5 minus 0 is a 5, 7 minus 4 is a 3. Okay, so here is 35. Very simple. Next, number 4. This is number 3 and this is number 4. Where is 63 minus 47. Now look, this is 3 and here is 7. 7 cannot subtract from 3. So we can add here plus 3, right? 7 plus 3 is a 0, means 10, carry 1. 1 plus 4 is a 5. Or we can say 47 and we will add 3. 1, 2, 3. It means 48, 49 and 50, right? So this is 50. And also we will add here 3 plus 3. So here is 63. We will add 3 number 1, 2, 3. So what does mean? 63 will become 64, 65 and 66. So 63 plus 3 is a 66. Now we will make subtraction. 6 minus 0 is a 6. 6 minus 5 is a 1. That means 63 minus 47 is a 16. So our answer is 16. Let's practice another one. 82 minus 45. 82 minus 45. So what will be the answer? Look, 2 and 5. It's not possible to make subtraction. We need to borrow. But our new method is we will add here something. Suppose we will add 5. So 5, it means here is 45. Look, 45 and we will add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 45. So 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So here is 50. Similar, we will add plus 5. So look, here is 82. 82. We will add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 82, then 83, 84, 85, 86 and 87. So 82 plus 5 is a 87. Now we will subtract. 7 minus 0 is a 7. 8 minus 5 is a 3. So our answer is 37. Okay. Now your homework, which is suppose 82 minus 39. This is your homework. Okay. Now a word problem we can make some practice. Like I think of a number. Look, you are thinking a number but you don't know what is the number is. But I subtract 47. So from this number you will subtract 47 and you will get 36. So what was my number? Next video we will discuss this kinds of thing. But for a clue, like this is a blank, or we can say 5 minus 3 is a 3. Sorry, 5 minus 2 is a 3. But you don't know these 5. Okay, you don't know this 5, but result is 3. It means you are subtracting something from this blank box and result is 3. So we know inverse. Okay, what does means inverse? 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Inverse is 3 plus 2 equals to 5. It means this one will be add and we will get this one. So here is 5. So if you understand this one, you also find the value what is in this. Okay, so no more today. We are discussing further next video, and also we will take more practice about subtraction, which is very important for our beginning life. Okay, so no more today. Thank you very much being with me. Please subscribe my channel if you think this channel will help you. Dear parents, I request you, please support me I will try to learn, or I will teach something which is better for your baby. Thank you.